Wow! Good job, Leona! Wow! Wow! Look where you can ride a train, Daddy. Hey there, we're gonna ride the train. The high bus. I really like that one, oh. If only we have like that, my love. I feel like I'm in Japan now. Like the lizard, the big lizard. Wow, Leona. What is that? Train! Daddy, help her in the ice cream. Are you in the train, Leona? I smell. We're struggling. Miss Universe. Wow, pretty, hey? I know this girl cannot stop with the food. Look at the fountain, Leona. Wait. Oh, there's the waving. There's the waving. Cannot see the fruit. Look at the flower, Leona. Whoa. Oh, that's so nice. Check her diaper. I smell something. She's waving. She's waving. My love, here. You want me to hold it? Daddy, she's going to you. This is marble. I cannot understand. Italia era dura mala vita in Australia. They're playing ball. While us just food trip. Goodbye, goodbye. Oh, quick, there's no car. Overtake this coming car. So guys, nakauwi na kami. Galing kami ng Roma. Dapat bibili lang kami ng mga herb ni Mr. Kaso sabi niya maganda daw yung weather. Dinala kami doon sa Roma kasi gusto ko talaga yung garden doon. Tapos swerte namin kasi andun pa rin yung train na para pambata. So nag-enjoy naman yung batang yun, makulit. Hindi pa rin siya inaantok. Kaya namin pagdating namin, inaantok na siya pero hindi. So naglaba lang ulit ako. Ang dami kong tupiin. Tapos si Mr. maglulon ng gas. So yun lang. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for more update from me. Thank you.